Welcome to the MERTS instructional video on closing and uploading reports. Before closing, be sure to save the file. Also make sure you have ran the validation report at least once to view for any possible errors. To close the report, select the Reports tab. Right-click on the report and choose Close Report. The closed report window will appear. Enter the date closed. The date closed is the day the report is being uploaded. Include the time, and enter the date signed. Select the name of the treasurer from the drop-down list. If the name of the treasurer is not listed, exit this screen and enter the name in the Names tab. If applicable, select the name of the record keeper from the drop-down list. Select the appropriate radio button for the person signing the report and select OK to close. A verification window will appear asking if you are sure you would like to amend or modify the selected object. Select Yes to continue or No to cancel. To upload a report, be sure the Reports tab is active. Highlight the report that needs to be uploaded. Select the Upload icon on the toolbar. You will be prompted to save the file if it has not yet been saved. Select OK to continue. The report will run through the validation process. If you have potential errors, select No to return to the file to fix the errors, or select Yes to continue. The settings window will appear. Enter the unique password assigned to your committee. Please note the password is case sensitive and should be entered in all capital letters. If you have lost or need a new password, select the Get a Password link. Enter the committee identification number. Enter an email address to receive notification of the confirmation or rejection of the report. Verify the email address. Select OK to continue with the upload process. If you are experiencing difficulty filing electronically, the report can be uploaded onto a CD or other removable media. Mail the removable media to the Bureau of Elections. Remember to save and back up the committee MERTS file each day. For additional assistance, visit www.mertsplus.com. Thank you.